Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Play Store. Of course, you need to be aware that you need the internet connection and you need to be logged into your Google account. If you want, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it on your own, or you can do it right after entering the Play Store. Alright, so now let's simply tap on the circle in the right upper corner and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Updates Available, and here we've got the full list of all updates pending, and now it depends what you prefer to do. So you can either tap on Update All and your device will download all of the updates, or you can simply go through the list and tap on Update next to the specific app you want to update. So I'll pick maybe Gmail, maybe Drive and Gemini. And as you can see right now at the top, we've got those apps and our device is automatically downloading everything, and it will also automatically apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.